I did take the main motor off. I just kept the brackets on so I can find the alignment. And I marked the red and white. And there's little keepers right there. If you push down, you can unclip them. And also on the brush bar motor, there was hair wound in there. And the brush bar itself, I made a small hook out of a small nail, and I took all the hair that was underneath the bearing out, so it rolls nice. There was hair all wound in there also. I just brushed that off. When you're installing the brush motor, there's a small notch right here that fits in the plastic right there. There, it's in place now. Now I'm going to mount the switch. It sort of just sits at an angle, like that. And then you just route the wires. Okay, after you have the motor in place, you can install this hose, because you can't get to it later. And you can see I installed the board, 2 screws, and then put the wire on it. And I just put the case just down onto the piece. And then you got to put the first screw right there, because that's the hidden screw. You take the H piece and you place it in here, and then from there you get your green bracket, and you can fit the green bracket in, and then you can put the 5 screws, 2 here, 2 there, and 1 on the other side. And the 5th screw goes right there to hold that green bar in place. Having the suction hose dangling, I'm just going to mount it. If you had taken the motor out to clean in there, this rubber ring fits down in here. Creates a seal plus vibration. Alright. And I marked the motor, and there's little push clips right there that you push and will release it off the motor. And you want to put this big ring on the motor too. Drop the motor and see, it just lines up there. You know that rubber ring that's in there? I glued it. The one that's attached to the motor, because it fell out and it doesn't align properly. So I've put some crazy glue around it. So when you're putting this piece on, this square fits around there, and this little lip fits at the front. And it'll just line right in there like that, and then the screws will match up. Just have to put the end caps on the brush bar. There's a slot right there. You just have to pull it over a little bit. Get some tension on that. And then you just line up the other side. to the square. There. Brush bars in. I'm putting the canister together. It's got 7 screws with the little washers on the Okay, fit the red piece in the pull it through and put the ring on, and it just locks into place. There's a key right there, and you've got a key on this side, so you just line them up, and now you just put all the screws in. Put this ring on. With the notch, it only fits one way. Put the filter in. And the unlock position. If you take this piece off here, you can just see the wires, but that's not how you actually do the switches. Okay, you take this piece off, and here you just pop this off with a flat screwdriver. It's got 2 pieces that hook onto here. There's a catch right there. You just pry the catch up and this top plate will come off. Okay, I got myself a smaller screwdriver. Go underneath. You don't want to use too much force because these are just plastic. You see the clips here? But anyway, you do it with the second one, and there's the screw, and then the switches will lift out, and you just unplug them just like you would on the vacuum. It's got that little safety pin. But once this switch is taken, this whole piece will come off. Gotta take the screw out now, and then the top piece will come off. I just don't want to scar it up. That's lifting off. Nothing over here that'll catch it. Okay. Small screwdriver, just wiggle it around to unclip it. You see, that just comes off like that. Yeah, there's little catches in it. Well, that works better when you go right out this side.